Hello, this is Farabi. I have created a Python web app using Gemini API and Flask web framework. After logging into this app, it offers a smart diagnosis, medicine encyclopedia, AI image analysis, medical chatbot for interactive chat section, and a history to check previous generated text. Well, for diagnosis, we can go into diagnosis assistant, and after this, we can select gender. We have to select age, diabetes, yes or no, previous disease, and we can check options by disease or symptoms. But for this session, I'm going to check symptoms for itching. Well, it's generating now. We can see here it gives us symptoms, description, possible diseases, disease description, precautions, and medications. It will help doctors as well as medical students to work out diet, suggest medical drugs, and so on. And for medical medicine information, we can search by generic name or brand name. But for this session, I'm going to check by generic name. Here I have this paracetamol. I'm going to check for paracetamol and select countries for this. It's generating, and it will give us indications, pharmacology, doses, and so on, side effects, overdose effects, and the name, brand name of this. We can download these text as well from here. And for image analysis, we can check several analyses. For to check detect skin cancer, lesion, bite marks, custom image. But for this session, I'm going to check for X-ray image. There is it will appear here after selecting the this image, and it gives us finding, interpretations, and so on. We can download this text like previous. And for medical chatbot, we can select several topics. But for this, I'm going to check for chemical reactions like 2, molecule 1, hydrogen bond 2, and for this session, I'm going to ask this question: apart from chemical reactions between these two molecules, here we can see it gives us detail of the description of those molecules, and we can check histories from here, as well as we can download from this like this. Okay, and to run this web application, we need these libraries plus Google Generative AI in python.env, pilo, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.